This delightful Colonial with a one-car garage is located on a 5,000 square foot lot in the Darlington neighborhood of Pawtucket. Step inside the open floor plan and entertain family and friends in the expansive living room. Enjoy meals in the formal dining area or in the eat-in kitchen with custom cabinetry and a quiet workspace. Sip a cup of coffee or simply relax on the sunny porch surrounded by walls of windows. Completing the main level is a full bath with a walk-in shower. The private yard offers plenty of space for outdoor gatherings and is bordered by mature plantings. Upstairs are 4 spacious bedrooms along with a full hall bath. The finished basement provides additional living space where you can create a rec room, family room, or home gym. Visit beautiful Slater Memorial Park and ride the Loof Carousel or walk along the scenic 10-mile River Greenway. Browse the local shops and venues at the Hope Artiste Village and along lovely Hope Street in Providence. Easily commute using the nearby highway or the South Attleboro train station. Downtown Providence is 15 minutes away and is home to award-winning dining and entertainment options. For more information, please visit the property website or call David Haslinger at area code 401-465-8625.